Welcome viewers, breaking news, I have made it along to Puerto Colon Costa Adeje. A few changes here, a few new bars opened or have been refurbed, I'm not sure. Let's go and see how busy it is today. A lot of people waiting on the wee boat trip here I think. If you're looking for any trips, check out my friend Daniel's company, Tenerife Excursions.com. I just actually met Daniel there, you'll see a wee video quite soon on the channel. Lovely down here, isn't it? The marina. Pretty nice. All these random wee bars up the top here, a wee Mexican place. Now, I did do a video here an hour or two ago up the top bit, and it was really quiet, but it's got a lot busier, so I made the best of that video. You'll probably still see it, but I'll probably still put it up, but you won't see too many people on it. Now, we're going to go right down to Pinta Beach, show how busy the beach is. It's cloudy today. It's about 27 degrees, I think, but it is cloudy. There's a Black Pearl Cafe. Got the Slow Boat Chinese up there. We've got Pat's Cafe for all my Belgian viewers. You want to eat Belgian beer? Go to Pat's Cafe. And I know I do have some viewers from Belgium because I've met some. Yes, I have. Right, a couple of changes here. This place over here has changed name since the last time I was here. It's called Yubari. It still looks as if it's like a Japanese sushi place, but they do Chinese as well, I think. So that's kind of changed a wee bit over there. It's nice here, isn't it? Wee boats coming in. Let's take a little wander round here. People crossing the bridge as they're going up to the pool bar. I don't mean the swimming pool. We've got a wee bar that does pool and snooker upstairs. We have got videos in it, so you can check it out. Okay, let's take a wee walk round to the beach. That's what you've been waiting on, the beach, isn't it? Keg and Church got live music on just now. Ironically, they were just singing Here Comes the Sun, one of the best Beatles songs I think, and maybe the best song that George Harrison wrote. And it might just be because it cheers you up, because basically it's a pretty happy song, isn't it? And the beach, considering the weather is not brilliant, the beach is actually reasonably busy. Few people there. So Keg and Church is just above the Tasty Corner. Hopping Grapes just above it as well. As I said, live music's on just now, but I can't go right up there because of the copyright issues. But trust me, it's pretty busy. You see quite a few people up there, as you can see. Hopping Grapes next to it as well. So let's take a little wander round here. There's a few bars and restaurants that have changed. Kind of a mix, it's got an old-fashioned feel to it, Puerto Colon. It's getting lively up there. Old-fashioned feel to it, but they have got some modernised restaurants down the bottom now. Place up the top, I've never been to it, but it looks quite nice. That one right up the top there. Looks lovely, doesn't it? We've got mini golf up the top as well. A few people have complained they never got the top. Chili place, and we've got Happy Italy over on the corner as well. Look at that, God's Burger. Surely got to be good. And next to it is the Old Lodge. They've got live music on every night in the Lodge. Somebody told me the people on the Sax bar have taken over the live music. I don't know if that's true or not, but they have got live music every night. I've got a wee video going past it showing you what acts you can expect here. Quite a nice steak in here. A wee shout out to Danilo and Las Lolas. And all the familiar bars and restaurants you would expect here. But there is a couple of changes, as you'll see in a wee second. I think it's €6 for a sunbed here. It's still pretty nice. Kelowna Beach Club up there is for all the young ones. They've got booming music up there. We might make it up there, we might not. We'll just have to wait and see. There could be some issues up there. Right, a lively bar here is a Sky Bar. They've got live music on. They've got music on at midnight. I was looking at the Tenerife ABC app. Download that app. Guy that runs it, Rogers, a lovely guy. Had a wee drink with him. Remember the Devon Arms lost Christiana Spears? Yes. Had a wee drink with him in there a couple of years ago before it shut. And the Sky Bar, I've got live music on at midnight. I think it says Jack Bennett played the Hole in the Wall last time I was here during Cheltenham week. Very, very good. And also you'll see various other things during the week. Going on a Tuesday, going to see Rick from Rick and Shelley. He's a compere there on a Tuesday normally. And they've got various acts on every other night as well. Scallywags Family Bar is just up the stairs there, just at the back here. People ask me about a family bar. Scallywags welcome families, and they've got family acts on as well. And the lift, I don't know if his lift's working or not. It's maybe working. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There is obviously stairs to get up the top there, but obviously if the lift's working, they're probably going to take a lift, aren't they? There's the stairs. There's proper stairs up there. Scallywags, just straight ahead here at the top of the stairs, okay? There's various other places up there as well. I think there's a fish and chip shop up there. There used to be. I don't know if it's still there. Maybe not there anymore, not sure. Now there's a couple of wee changes just coming up here on the right hand side. Somebody was shouting me there, excuse me, hair braiding. I was like, oh, you've picked the wrong person there. Right, this is one of the changes I was talking about, because either this has changed name or it's a new one. I can't remember, or they've refurbed it because it's a lot nicer than I remembered. There's one up here that's really nice as well. This part here, what's it called? Macani. Looks pretty nice, but it's nice inside, as you can see. It's pretty nice in there. Pretty busy as well. You want the front seat so that you get the sun when the sun eventually comes out. El Ferry, it's been here for years, one of the more affordable places here. They used to do set menus, I don't know if they're still doing them. A large beer is €2 in El Ferry. Special offer, €2. I don't see any of the set meals. I don't want to go right into the menu because there's people sitting right at the front and they'll think I'm a weirdo if I'm right next to them and they're having a wee drink. Right, this bar restaurant up here has changed a wee bit as well. It's El Puerto, not as busy. The one next door, again, another €2 beer. It's very affordable terrace, as you can see. Overlooking the beach and the sea, you're getting beers for like €2. Intercontinental, guys from Middlesbrough, are you still watching? Give me a comment. That's Intercontinental. It tells a lot of sellers here. I'm struggling to get by here. Hold on. The massage with happy feet. So that's Intercontinental there. I've got paella for one person. Oh, Scott from Planes, Trains and Everything. I found your place. Scott was doing a wee video. Check out his great YouTube channel. He was trying to find paella. I can't remember what it was he was in. They couldn't find one. They're all based in 2 people, which normally they are. But there we go. We've got a wee breakthrough here. Right, this wee bar at the end, I think it's either changed or it's been refurbed. I don't know if the name's the same, but we'll just check it in a wee second. Right. It's a Boulevard restaurant. It looks really nice actually. They've done it all up. It looks pretty nice to me. Quite a few people in, having a wee beer, coffee, a tea. Looks pretty nice. Now I'm going to be going up to Colon Beach, but the music is absolutely blaring. It's daytime vibes. So we're going to do another video down at Farnaby. Let me have a wee chat with you here. Okay, so if you have missed, for some reason, the travel day video on the flight that started at the University of Glasgow and ended up in Tenerife. Yes, I know, confusing, isn't it? We're in Tenerife. I've made it to Puerto Colon. These videos will not always be in sequence because I'm doing loads of videos per day. I can't release them all at the same time or you would absolutely hate me. So I'll be all over the place. You'll see a video on Las Americas, Adeje, Los Chris. You'll see different hotels I'm staying in. And yeah, just bear with me. That's all I can say. Anyway, Puerto Colon has changed a wee bit today. A couple of wee places changed, but it's still pretty nice down here. The sun's going to come out soon. When it does come out, it's absolutely roasting. And I'm going up towards Colon Beach. I won't be joining the young ones, but you can get a wee private beach just here. Look at this. Just a wee private beach right here. Okay, thanks very much. Just a quick one to let you know where I am today. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, new viewers, hit the wee subscribe button. It's absolutely free, does not cost a penny. It is goodbye from Playa La Pinta Beach in Puerto Colon.